Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on Mitsubishi Outlander 2014 onward. To do that, turn the ignition switch in position 1. Okay. Showing a remaining mileage 4,600 and only 2 months remaining. To start, it's a button on the side. Press this one when you see remaining mileage and months, and same button, press and hold. Spanner start flashing, release the button and press once. It says clear. That's all done. The mileage come up 17,114 months remaining in the next service. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.